सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ज्ञान के दीप जलाए, आशा की झिलमिल को रोशन बनाए। ऊंचे उठे और छू ले गगन को, ऊंचे उठे और छू ले गगन को। सवेरे की सरगम को जीवन में लाए, ज्ञान के दीप जलाए। दिशाएं बुलाने लगी है, हवाएं नए राग गाने लगी है। सुन लो दिशाएं बुलाने लगी है, हवाएं राग गाने लगी है। आओ बदल दे मौसम जमी के, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाए। आओ ज्ञान के दीप जला।
The 6th of July, that is today, the day of our institution's foundation stone was laid. Model College has stood as a testament of knowledge enduring power. Our college is a thriving sanctuary of leadership and vision, where every student potential blooms with a purpose and promise. Today, we are privileged to welcome our esteemed management members whose vision has shaped the very essence of our college. Each of them has played a pivotal role in steering us towards excellence in education and beyond. I would request our principal sir, Dr. C.A. Ravindra Babadekar, to give a floral welcome to President Kerala Samajam, Sri Radhakrishnan Nair PK. So please give again a floral welcome to Chairman Sri Verghese Daniel sir. With overall cloud to our General Secretary. Thanks. So please.
बड़े बड़े बड़े
Mukundan sir. Has continuously strived for excellence in education, research and community service. Our achievements stand as a testament to the dedication and hard work of the entire community. Today I am thrilled to announce that Kerala Samajam Register Dombali's Model College has been granted the empowered autonomy by the University of Mumbai under College Education and Development Department. This milestone grants us greater flexibility and control over our academic and administrative affairs, empowering us to innovate and excel even further. I would request all the dignitaries to unveil the certificate proclaiming our empowered autonomy status. Sirs, please. Let the sound of the claps resonate in our atmosphere. This is truly a prestigious moment for each one of us. After this momentous ceremony, let's move on to the cutting the cake. I invite the dignitaries to join us in this joyous occasion where we can share the sweetness of the cake with everyone. Now I kindly request all the dignitaries to please forward towards the cake cutting.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid to think that you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself to think you loved me. But since tonight you said you wouldn't live without me, that round about me you wanted to stay. Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Additionally, I am delighted to share that the Forest Department has generously donated 35 saplings to our college in support of Go Green initiative. I request our dignitaries to cut the ribbon and hand over these saplings to the NSS Program Officer Yogesh Sir and Mithuna Ma'am. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. These saplings will walk through the old lanes and memories of Model College. Let's now sit back.
आज फाउंडेशन डेच्या निमित्ताने जमा झालेल्या माझ्या मॉडेल कॉलेजच्या परिवारातील सर्व सदस्यांचे स्वागत. आज मी तुम्हाला घेऊन जाणार आहे डिजिटल प्रवासात, ज्यात मॉडेल कॉलेजच्या विचारचे सुंदर वटवृक्षात कसे उत्पादन झाले हे बघूया. सन 1987-88च्या दरम्यान केंद्रीय समाज संस्थेने एक स्वप्न पाहिले. स्वप्न होते त्यांच्या मॉडेलच्या शाळेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आणि त्या परिसरातील विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी स्वतःचे एक महाविद्यालय असावे. आणि याचेच फलित म्हणून सन 1987 साली श्री हरिहरन पुंजा प्रेसिडेंट आणि श्री सतीश बाबूटी जनरल सेक्रेटरी यांनी मॉडेल कॉलेजच्या इमारतीची पायाभरणी केली. या कार्यक्रमास त्यावेळेचे तत्कालीन मंत्री श्री नकुल पाटील सर उपस्थित होते. साधारणतः 1989 साली कॉलेजचे बांधकाम पूर्ण झाले आणि कॉलेजची इमारत तयार झाली. 6 जुलै 1989 साली महाराष्ट्र शासनाची डिग्री कॉलेज कॉमर्स तसेच 2 ऑगस्ट 1989 साली ज्युनियर कॉलेजच्या डिव्हिजनला परमिशन मिळाली आणि 150 विद्यार्थ्यांसह कॉलेजचा प्रवास सुरू झाला. या कॉलेजच्या प्रवासात मॅनेजमेंटचे सभासद आणि त्यावेळेचे प्रिन्सिपल्स यांचा आपण आलेख बघूया. 1989-90च्या दरम्यान पहिले प्रिन्सिपल सर होते श्री देश सर. त्यांच्या काळात कॉलेजची वाटचाल सुरू झाली आणि 1990 साली श्री टी व्ही मॅथ्यू सर यांनी कॉलेजचा कार्यभार घेतला. त्यांच्या कार्यकालामध्ये कॉलेजची विद्यार्थी संख्या 2000 पर्यंत झाली आणि इमारतीचे सेकंड फेजचे काम पूर्ण झाले. तसेच आपल्या कॉलेजला पार्शियल ग्रांट मिळाली आणि NSSची युनिट सुरू झाली. 1994 साली श्रीहरी सरांनी इन्चार्ज प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून काम बघितले. 1994 साली श्री आलपट्टी सर यांनी प्रिन्सिपल पदाचा कार्यभार सांभाळला. त्यानंतर 1995 साली श्री SG देशमुख सर कॉलेजचे प्रिन्सिपल सर म्हणून रुजू झाले. त्यांच्या काळात कॉलेजला 100% ग्रांट मिळाली आणि विद्यार्थी संख्या 2500 पर्यंत पोहोचली. सरांचा स्वभाव असा होता की त्यांनी कल्चरल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आणि स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीजना खूप प्रोत्साहन दिले. मी सुद्धा याच कॉलेजची विद्यार्थिनी असून त्यांच्याच कार्यकालात माझे सुद्धा महाविद्यालयीन शिक्षण पूर्ण झाले. सर स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीजना खूप प्रोत्साहन द्यायचे आणि त्याचं एक उदाहरण म्हणजे त्यांना काही आम्ही स्पोर्ट्स ॲक्टिव्हिटीजसाठी सामान मागितलं तर ते लगेच आम्हाला उपलब्ध करून द्यायचे. 2002 ते 2003च्या कालावधीत श्री BG शेट्टी सर यांनी इन्चार्ज प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून कार्यभार बघितला. 2003 साली कॉलेजला डॉक्टर MR नायर प्रिन्सिपल सर म्हणून लाभले. त्यांचा कार्यकाल 2014 पर्यंत होता. त्यांच्या काळात कॉलेजने काट टाकली. पारंपरिक कोर्सेस बरोबरच तसंच नवीन कोर्सेस सुद्धा सुरू केले जेणेकरून विद्यार्थ्यांना व्यावसायिक अभ्यासक्रमांना प्राधान्य देता आले तसेच रोजगार निर्मिती झाली. 2003 पासून कॉलेजला BMS, अकाउंटिंग फायनान्स, बँकिंग इन्शुरन्स, BSc IT तसेच एमकॉम या कोर्सेसची सुरुवात झाली आणि उत्तरोत्तर अनेक प्रोग्राम्स वाढत गेले आणि कॉलेजची प्रगती वाढत गेली. त्यांच्या कार्यकाळात आपण डिग्री मॅथ्स सर आणि डिग्री कॉलेज, ज्युनियर कॉलेजचा स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ यांना आपण बघू शकता. साली प्रकाश ट्रान्सपे सर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट यांच्या हस्ते आपल्या एमकॉमचं उद्घाटन झाले होते. एमकॉमचे कोर्सेस सुरू झाले होते. ते काही टीम्सच आहेत. लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंटसाठी सेल्फ फायनान्सिंग कोर्सेसला डबावाला प्रोग्राम्स अरेंज केला होता. 2007 साली आपले फर्स्ट नॅकचे सायकल झाले होते. कॉलेजला A ग्रेड मिळाली. नॅक सेलिब्रेशन from University of Mumbai, appreciation letter. After that, college renovation period. 2014-15 साली आपल्या कॉलेजला 25 वर्ष पूर्ण झाली आणि त्याचे रजत सेलिब्रेशन आपण केले होते. वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर कॉलेजचा लोगो चेंज केल्यानंतर बिल्डिंगचा फोटो आणि त्यानंतर 2014-15 साली कॉलेजला सेकंड नॅकचं सर्टिफिकेट देण्यात आलं. प्रभारी प्राचार्य म्हणून कार्यभार बघितला आणि तसेच 2015 ते 16च्या दरम्यान श्री A.T. पिंडे सर यांनी सुद्धा प्रभारी प्राचार्य म्हणून कार्यभार बघितला. एप्रिल 2016 पासून डॉक्टर P.S. अजित कुमार प्रिन्सिपल सर म्हणून रुजू झाले. त्यांच्या कार्यकाळामध्ये सुद्धा कॉलेजला BMM, BA, BSc लाईफ सायन्स या कोर्सेसची सुरुवात झाली. 2015-16ला आपल्या अंमलवाडा कॉलेजचं इनॉग्रेशन फंक्शन करण्यात आले. दरम्यान कॉलेजमध्ये ऑटोनॉमससाठी व्हिजिट केली होती. कॉलेजला ऑटोनॉमस आणि मॅथ्स फॉर सायकल याचे सर्टिफिकेट्स प्रदान करण्यात आले. ते 2020 पर्यंत डॉक्टर विनय भोळे सरांनी प्राचार्य पदाचा कार्यभार घेतला. त्यांच्या राजकीय आणि सामाजिक ओळखीचा कॉलेजला प्रगतीपथावर नेण्यासाठी मोलाचा वाटा आहे. त्यांच्याच कार्यकालात नॅक 3 आणि ऑटोनॉमसचे स्टेटस कॉलेजला प्राप्त झाले. 2021 ते 2023 पर्यंत आर.टी. कंबाडेकर सरांनी प्रभारी प्राचार्यपद स्वीकारले आणि तेच ऑक्टोबर 2023 म्हणून कॉलेजला रेग्युलर प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून नेमणूक झाली. त्यांच्या काळात आपल्याला आता एम्पॉवर ऑटोनॉमीचं सर्टिफिकेट प्राप्त झाले. एप्रिल 2022 ला कॉलेजचं ॲल्युमिनी रजिस्ट्रेशन झालं. एक्स स्टुडंट्स त्यांचे काही सेलिब्रेशन्स आहेत. आपण फेब्रुवारीमध्ये फंक्शन ऑर्गनाईज केलं होतं ॲल्युमिनीचं फंक्शन. 2024. Thank you, alumni. And journey is going to be continued.
And welcome Anano for this 35th Foundation Day celebration of Morel College. The objective of this function, organizing this function, was to formally express our gratitude to all those who have contributed towards the growth as well as glory of Morel College. It is not the result of one or two persons. We try to acknowledge the contributions made by Samajam members, the office bearers of the Samajam over the years, the principals, the teaching and non-teaching staff. The contribution of each stakeholder has resulted in a growth of this model college which has started in the year 1989 and many of us are the witness of this growth. I myself had joined in the year 1992 when only 6 classrooms were there and thereby started a journey towards the excellence. In 2003-2004, all the self-financing courses which has brought some financial strength to the organization. 2007, first NAC accreditation with A grade. 2014, second cycle of NAC continued with accreditation with A grade. 2019, autonomous status as well as third cycle of the NAC accredited with A grade. 2024, the empowered autonomy which till now only 12 colleges were enjoying in the Mumbai University out of 874. And this year we are in the company of NM College, Poddar College, Nirmala Niketan and the Model College. Hats off to all the stakeholders who have contributed to this glory. From the morning we are receiving the messages from some ex-staff members, colleagues, from the management representative. I would request as a representative sample to some of the organizers to speak out whatever the messages we have received. I am sure it is not yet over. We have big dreams. We are not going to stop here. Within short time, we will be introducing few very sought over courses. We have a plan towards going for Dean University. And for all this journey, we would like to have a company of all yours. And I am sure you will be always with us in our journey toward excellence. Once again, Thanks to all of you and hope you will continue in the journey. Before I conclude, let me share you one good news. One of our staff members will be joining a reputed college from the Mumbai University as a principal. Once we get a formal letter, we will announce it. But we just want to say the staff members of the model college is also growing by leaps and bounds. All the best to all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would request our Career Samajam Management President, Shri Radhakrishnan Nair PK sir, to deliver a few words. Sir, please.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers and non-teaching staff, my colleagues on the dais, dignitaries and other friends sitting before me. Today, while we are celebrating the 35th birthday of our esteemed institution, I think it will be pertinent to have a look back. In the year 1972, 22nd November 1972, is a landmark in the history of Kerala Samajam and Dombivli itself. Our Kerala Samajam has laid the foundation stone for model English school on that day, the first English medium school in the city. The English medium school grew very well because of the hard work and dedication of the staff members, non-teaching staff members, and the management and the native people. Then, by this time, the city was also growing fast. It has become imperative to have an arts and science college in the city to cope up with the gigantic growth of the city. Kerala Samajam rose to the occasion and laid the foundation stone of this prestigious institution on 6th July 1989. While we celebrate the 35th birthday of our institution, we should understand that the pattern has been changed the hands of both in the management and in the college. Several stalwarts have taken over and contributed for the growth of this institution and the Samajam. To name all of them due to paucity of time is very difficult. But I will be failing in my duty if I don't mention the name of a trio who have contributed their level best and who have tried to bring this institution to its present shape. They are Mr. M.S. Abraham, the then chairman, Mr. A.D. Ravindran, the then general secretary, and Mr. M.R. Nair, the principal. Till that time, management was financing the college, and of course, the management had only limited resources. With the limited resources, the management was financing the college, which was a Herculean task for the poor management. When these people reigned, when they are ready to go, they have introduced self-finance courses. Thereby, the institution started generating its own finance. Moreover, they have generated more finance which they could repay to the Samajam for the amount which the Samajam has spent on them. Now, coming to the present position, under the eminent stewardship, good captaincy of our principal, Sri Gopalakar sir, an eminent educationist, a man full of ideas and is always down to earth, ably supported and assisted by eminent, dedicated, sincere teachers and non-teaching staff. I feel that our golden days are yet to come. The coming days will prove that we are flourishing like anything. While coming to the empowered autonomous status. I humbly admit that I don't have much knowledge on these matters. But what I understand is that apart from putting our logo and name of the college on the certificate, it also gives us the freedom or the liberty to start autonomous degree and diploma courses without the permission of the university. If my information is correct, it also allows us to have collaboration or cooperation or tie-up with best universities around the world. If it happens, automatically we can upgrade the standard of our institution also. If that is correct, if my information is correct, we have an ample opportunity to spread our wings further, and that will be beneficial. I'm sure that under the stewardship of our principal, our institution will become not only the first in Thane, but one of the best in Mumbai. I have no doubt on that. Before I with that very popular quote, let me conclude. Miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you very much.
I would request Chairman Shri Verghese Daniel sir to render a few words.
Good morning to all. Respected Kerala Samajam President Radhakrishnan Nair, my colleagues, subcommittee members, Principal, Modern College, Vice Principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, and dear students. It is with immense pleasure and deep gratitude that I stand before you today to celebrate the remarkable milestone in the journey of our esteemed institution. It is our 35th Foundation Day. 35 years ago, in 1989, a vision was brought to life, a vision to create an institution that would not merely impact knowledge, but ignite the flames of curiosity and a lifelong love for learning. As we celebrate this remarkable journey, let us take a moment to acknowledge the dedication of our great personalities, especially our faculty members and their contributions. Their commitment to be excellent has shaped the mind of generations. Sometime, Kerala Samajam Dobali is celebrating this year as our Platinum Jubilee year. For this auspicious occasion, I would like to announce some important planning. First, our college building 3rd phase, 6th and 7th floor is almost completed. Second, Mayaveli had decided the principal and we are planning to start some new courses like first one, BSCI AI, artificial intelligence, BSc data science, BA psychology, BCom logistics. We are also planning to start MMS, MBA and MCA in the near future. As I said here, Model College got a empowered autonomy style. This is also an achievement. Model College got a reaccredited A grade by NAAC 2019 for 5 years, and again in 2024 we have to do all proceed for the continuation. All are requested to cooperate to achieve this. KSD Model, KSD Dombali Model School, Pandravadi is a new 7th floor newly constructed building with all modern facilities like digital classrooms, etc. This was completely sponsored by Mr. Virendra Rameskar, Chairman and MD of IRB Infrastructure Developers. He is an ex-student of modern school. It is his Guru Darshana to his school. I request all of you to visit there as a parent institution. We will arrange even bus facilities also if you inform us. This year, Kaili Samajam celebrating its Platinum Jubilee year. On this occasion, we are planning to conduct Samuha Viva, means mass wedding for economically weak and underprivileged section of society. On our foundation day, we take a pledge to work to the growth and development of the institution from all aspects. And every year planning to celebrate 6th July as it is Foundation Day. I am very happy to announce that we have revised the salary of our staff. Detail will be given by Finance Secretary. नमस्कार मित्रों, मला मराठी बोलायला येते. जय महाराष्ट्र. अपना सगळं डोंबिवलीकर आहेत. केली समाजम पण डोंबिवलीकर आहे. आपल्याला केली समाज कुटुंबात कोणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर कधीही आमच्याकडे ये स्वागत आहे. आपण सगळं मिळून समाज आणि मॉडर्न कॉलेजसाठी काम करत. मराठी में 2 शब्द बोल दिया तो मदर टंग मलयालम में भी 2 शब्द बोलो. 1948-55 വർഷത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ പൂർവികരായ നല്ല മനുഷ്യർ മഹാരാഷ്ട്രയുടെ താന ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിൽ കല്യാൺ താക്കുള്ളി ഡോംബിവിലി ഏരിയയിൽ വന്ന് പാർത്ത് കഠിനമായിട്ട് അധ്വാനിച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് അന്നുണ്ടാക്കിയ ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൻ്റെ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ സ്കൂള്, കോളേജ് എന്നിവ ഇന്ന് ഈ നിലനിൽക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ പൂർണ്ണ ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം നമ്മുടെ പൂർവികരായ ആ മനുഷ്യർ ഉള്ളതാണ്. അതിനുശേഷം വന്ന ഓരോ കമ്മിറ്റിയിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാരും ഇവിടുത്തെ ലോക്കൽ ജനങ്ങളായിട്ടും ബാക്കിയുള്ള ജനങ്ങളായിട്ടും ഒത്തൊരുമിച്ച് നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മളെല്ലാം ഒന്നാണ് എന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിച്ച് കാണിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കാണിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ കമൽപ്പാടയിലുള്ള മോഡൽ കോളേജും പാണ്ടരവാടിയിലുള്ള സ്കൂളും അതുപോലെ കുമ്പർക്കമ്പാടയിലുള്ള സ്കൂളും. നമുക്കെല്ലാം ഒരുമിച്ച് നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് മഹാരാഷ്ട്രയായാലും ഗുജറാത്തി ആയാലും ഏത് സ്റ്റേറ്റിലുള്ളവരായാലും ഒരുമിച്ച് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. മോഡൽ കോളേജാണ് വലുത്. ജയ കേരള, ജയ മഹാരാഷ്ട്ര.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request our General Secretary, Sri Rajashekaran Nair, sir, and render a few words.
President K.S. Madam, my colleagues sitting in the dais, senior K.S. Madam members sitting in the room, teaching faculties, professors, lecturers, and non-teaching staff, my education committee and other committee members. Good morning and good evening. 1980, virtually it was if we say that it is a day of starting a revolution, education revolution in the history of Dombivli. Higher education, I mean. While putting the stone for this college, our then committee members or then office bearers without never thought that that college will be growing globally like a big tree that gave shade to the entire Thana district. The growth of Model College is like it was never expected and never thought that it will grow like as it is now. There are colleges in Dombivli previously also, but the growth of Model College is just because of the dedication of the then committee members, then members of Kerala Samajam, and of course it is, if I not mention that, the whole support from the local community. The local community in Dombivli has received us with wholeheartedly, and that is the very reason that it was a chemistry with the Maharashtrians and Malayalis that put this institution stood like anything. I appreciate and I thank the Maharashtrian community especially for receiving means giving us because they have realized that this college is for them and they thought that it is our college. That is the thing. When we keep something close to our chest, then of course it's ours and we will have a special attention towards that. And of course that is the result of the college which stands here like a big tower. I am now Kerala Samajam Dombivli, and time to time the work is those who have after this, those who have dedicated their time, most time. See, once upon a time it was only a time pass for the Keralites to have this Samajam. Time pass means there was no any communication facility, telephone, no telephone. I remember the days when there was no telephone facility in Dombivli. And that time, everybody used to see in a particular place, pre-planned, in a day, they could meet. And accordingly, that meeting has took place, the foundation of that Samajam, and then after school, and then after the college, and now model college and Kerala Samajam institutions are the historical monuments of Dombivli, and it stands like anything. Nobody can think that without Kerala Samajam Dombivli, the educational growth of entire Dombivli would not have happened. I am not taking the credit, but I give the credit to the entire Malayali community and the entire Maharashtrian community, and now other communities also, those who are supporting us for this noble cause. Of course, it is many of the founding members of the Samajam are not there, but of course, I take this opportunity to give my gratitude to them, those who are not alive now, and I hope that this institution will flourish and Kerala Samajam will have many things to contribute to the entire public of Dombivli. And just wait, and as the chairman has said, we have many things in offering, and just wait and see that how the curtain is revealing and the things you can see. Of course, once again, I thank you all, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request Finance Secretary Shri Binoy Thomas sir to come on.
Respected Principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, my colleagues from the dais, and Samajam members, is Foundation Day is a celebration day. On the same time, we will have to think about what has to be achieved in future also. In my earlier speakers already given the details of that the college growth, and when we started, it was preliminary, it was in commerce classes. Then gradually we started science courses and PG courses, lastly in PhD also. For these achievements, all these previous principles, including engineering principles also, along with the professors, teachers and students, contributed the overall growth of model college. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to those who are worked for overall development of model college. And only my request to you all that we have already got NAAC accreditation A grade certificate, and this year 2024, and we are trying for that the NAAC accreditation again, and it has to be A plus or AA plus. You will have to try for that one. For the management as well as teachers and students, everyone has to try for NAAC accreditation A plus or future in AA plus also. So I concluding that everyone should hard work for better development of college. For financial part, this June, it is an pending for the last maybe in several years is also for the revision of salary, and we consider the salary is based on that working of the college. is the expenses also calculated. I am not saying that it is not bad increment and also not a good increment also. So gradually how that the college is improving in financially, what are the new courses is adding and the new students will come and overall improvement in financials are happening. Definitely we will consider for future also for that the salary revisions. And this year's increment will be credited today as a, you can say that as a foundation day. This year's increment starting from that June, that the increment portion will be credited today. Thank you very much. Try for that the better development of college in all business. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would request Anup sir to read the special messages what we have got for our foundation day. Sir.
We have a message from our ex-chairman, Professor Abraham from Mavelika. Respected principal, I am extremely happy to know about the Foundation Day celebration of our esteemed model college. It is an opportunity for us to come together and celebrate the proud history of our college with the students, parents, members of teaching community and the well-wishers at large. This is the time we should remember all those who resulted in the birth of our august institution. There were many and it may not be possible to name them all. But we cannot forget Dr. V.M.R. Nair, under whose stewardship we acquired the plot, and late Sri Hariharan Punyar, who laid the foundation stone. A big salute to them and those who worked hard to start this college. I take this opportunity to congratulate the management, respected principal and the learned teachers and staff for achieving the status of empowered autonomous status to our college. My sincere thanks to you and your team. We also have a wish from our ex-GC member, Alexander Ninan. Respected Principal, I appreciate you for availing empowered autonomous status to Model College. Now we are witnessing a milestone in the history of Kerala Samajam, Dombivli. Remembering the members who dedicated their rewardless service to build up our institution. I wish you all success for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Once again, I would like to call upon our principal, Dr. C.A. Ravindra Barbadekar sir.
Sorry, I'm just taking 2 minutes just to give one more information, present information. Usually success of our educational institutions are judged on various parameters. One of the most important or prominent two are: 1, results; second is the demand rate, that is the admissions. Results, from the beginning we are far ahead compared to the university. Those of you who are following the media must be reading in the media or must be listening on the media that the admissions to the graduate courses are declining. The people are finding difficult to fill up their posts, fill up the posts or the admissions. For the last few days, I am traveling to various colleges right from Savanwadi to Palghar for ADT sensitization, and most of the colleges are telling there is a lot of decline in the admissions in the colleges. I am proud. As far as model is concerned, everything is exceptional. Everything is exceptional. out of 9 programs we are running, except management's quota, become aided full. Nowadays, you will find that there is a lot of decline in the aided admission. For the self-financing, students are going, but in the aided all over university it is decreasing. But in ours, become aided full, back full, BA10 not only full, even for management quota also there is no seat. It is over. BMS full, BSc full, BSc Computer Science full. Hardly 2 programs we have where we can accommodate the student. One is a BAMMC Arts, but our teachers are confident, yes, we will come up. And second is a BSc Microbiology. But I would like to tell BSc Microbiology, which were around 12, 20, 15, 20 students, it has grown 30, 40, already crossed 50. And we are looking at 60, and if we cross the 60, I don't think the model college will ever have to worry about the admission to the science faculty. We dedicate all this success in all this admission to all the teaching and non-teaching staff as well as the management for providing this support. Thank you very much.
Education is said to be as the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. Let sky be our limit. Now I would request our VP, Degree College, Dr. Shalvari Kulkarni ma'am, to render a vote of thanks.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. As we reflect on this powerful weapon, it is my privilege to express my gratitude on this occasion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to making this Foundation Day celebration a resounding success. I express my profound gratitude to our Kerala Samajam Management President Shri Radhakrishnan Nair, Chairman Mr. Varghese Daniel, General Secretary Rajashekharan Nair, Finance Secretary Binoy Thomas, Arts and Cultural Secretary Shri Suresh Babu, Internal Auditor Mr. Mathai Thomas, and Governing Council Member. I thank to them. The first is for the very good news for the staff that revise in salary. I request all of you to big clap for this decision. On behalf of all staff members, so we thank very much for salary as well as 2 floors which were very important for all of us to manage the classes and especially labs. On behalf of all, I thank you, sir. Now I am coming to our founders, our pillars. Many pillars are there in the audience. आज मुझे हफीज किदवई जी के शब्द याद आ रहे हैं। एक इमारत मुस्कुरा रही थी, एक इमारत मुस्कुरा रही थी, उसकी तारीफों के पुल बांधे जा रहे थे, नींव की ईंटें खामोशी से सुन रही थी, नींव की ईंटें खामोशी से सुन रही थी और मुस्कुरा रही थी, क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि उनकी पहचान ही इस इमारत को खड़ा रखेगी। And this is for all our pillars who are there, from the senior staff, junior staff, non-teaching staff. Many of us could not come here, but still their contribution to the institution is very big. So wholeheartedly I thank to all the founder members of management, founder principals, founder teaching staff, founder non-teaching staff, and my dear students. Many alumni are also there who are really, we can say, foundation stone for our development, who are really, we can say, new ka patthar. Because of that, we are able to stand today very proudly. So I wholeheartedly thank to them. At the same time, I thank to very energetic principal CA Dr. R.P. Bambadekar, who is always with us to guide and encourage us to do the various activities. I thank to Vice Principal Srilata Madam, coordinators Geeta Madam, Divya Madam, Samruddha Madam for their hard work and sincerity towards institution. I thank to whole teaching, non-teaching staff for very cooperative and for very supportive always. At the same time, I thank to my lovely students who are always there with us to participate in the various activities and at the same time for academics also. Now the time has come to thank our organizing team. Today's function is possible only because of the efforts taken by organizing team, and you can see there are many things which are there. So I thank to the main chairman of organizing team, Nita Ranade Madam, and her organizing team members. At the same time, I thank to Mr. Umesh and James sir, who are always there with us for any kind of the arrangement. We are just texting them and the arrangements are getting over. So thank you very much to everyone. I thank to canteen person who will be providing us very good lunch. So I thank to him also. At the same time, I thank to NSS in charge Mr. Yogesh sir. Till last 2 days, he was behind to getting the saplings, and you won't imagine, we were planning to have only 35 sapling because it is our 35th foundation, but we got 600 sapling, and we have promised them that they have provided us space also, and we have promised them to plant the trees in the area which was provided by Forest Department. So it will be a definitely very good journey towards the Go Green. I thank to the all student volunteers. Very beautiful rangoli was designed by them. You all can see that rangoli in the front door, and the stage arrangement whatever is done for them. I thank to student volunteers. And if I forgot anyone, so I thank to each one of you who have contributed this. At the end, as Rajshekharan Nair sir has told, that we are always together. So I would like to say the same thing, sir. जब भी नेट है, नेट का A ग्रेड है या ऑटोनॉमस का टीम है, 8 दिन पहले we all are a team of मॉडल कॉलेज. हर कोई यही बोलता है कि मुझे मेरे कॉलेज के लिए काम करना है, और ये जो मेरापन है, ये जो अपनापन है, ये जो मेरा वाला फीलिंग है, and that feeling will definitely give us success. So on behalf of all the staff members, I congratulate to management and I express my best wishes for the more and more success. Thank you very much. Afterwards, we will be celebrating the informal session of this program.